In this tutorial, I will show you how to create powerful and professional presentations using Canva. First, open Canva and click Create a Design. Select Presentation so your slides are properly formatted for meetings, classrooms, or Zoom. Next, choose a template. Pick one that matches your topic and audience. If it is for business, choose something clean and minimal. If it is for school or creative work, you can use something more colorful. A strong template saves time and gives your slides a polished look from the start. Now, customize your slides. Click on the text to replace headings with clear, bold titles. Keep your message simple. Avoid long paragraphs. Use short points that are easy to read. Replace images with visuals that support your message. Go to Elements or upload your own photos. Good visuals make your presentation more memorable. Stick to 2 or 3 fonts and consistent colors. This keeps everything looking professional. Too many styles can make slides feel messy. Next, add subtle animations or slide transitions. Click on a slide, choose Animate or add a transition between slides. Keep it simple so it enhances your message instead of distracting from it. Before finishing, review each slide. Ask yourself if it is clear, readable, and focused on one main idea. When you are ready, click Share. You can present directly in Canva or download as a PDF or PowerPoint file. That is it. Clear layout, strong visuals, consistent design. That is how you create impactful presentations in Canva. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick Canva tutorials.